My name is Lo. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an everyday makeup look using only Aveda makeup. So we're going to start by prepping the skin. I'm going to be using some exfoliant first with some skin toning agent. Just a couple spritz hydrating lotion. Right, now we're going to use the tinted moisturizer, and I am going to be using the color Aspen for Miss Emma here. Now we're going to use some concealer, and I'm using the lightest shade Birch for Emma, and I am going to mix it with some Tulisara Radiant Oil. The Radiant Oil gives the concealer a little bit more moisture, which will help with any creasing, especially under the eyes. And I am going to brush it on where I want it to be, and I'm going to go in with my finger. The warmth of my finger helps the product kind of melt into your skin a little bit better than just using a brush. Now we're going to do some powder dual foundation. I like to mix it with the Aveda loose powder just to give more of a sheer look instead of a super matte full coverage look. So this is really good for every day to mix the two powders together. I'm going to go in with some bronzer just to warm her face up just a tad. A little bronzer under the cheekbone here, kind of do a little like a baby contour, but not like a full chisel going out kind of contour. Just a little bit. And I'm going to be using Tesserae, my favorite. Now I'm going to do a little bit of highlighter, nothing too crazy, just a little bit of sheen. I like to combine two eye colors. I use Illumination and Opal, and together they make a really pretty shade. And we're going to do right on the cheekbone here. I like to do down the bridge of the nose and on the nose, a little bit on your Cupid's bow here. Now we're going to work on the eyes. Just something simple. Remember, we're doing an everyday look. So I like to prep the lids with the tinted moisturizer. You get more payoff if you use the moisturizer versus the concealer. Use the Opal again as an eye color. Now we're going to go in with some black mascara. If you want to be extra on anything, at least be extra on your lashes. Lashes are really big right now. So, if you go simple on the rest of the face and the eyes, go extra on the lashes. I like to use a little wooden stick here, and I can put it right by the lash line. That way, when I put on the mascara, you won't get any on the lid. And like I said, extra on the lashes, so we are going to do a second coat. And not everybody likes mascara on the bottom lashes. I'm all for it, so we're going to go for it. So what you're going to do is, I'm going to have you look up, Emma. I'm just going to go underneath here. And now if you get any mascara underneath the eye here, all you gotta do is let it dry and then go back in with a clean spoolie and just wipe it right up. Brows are really important too, just like your lashes. So Emma here is a deep brunette, so I am going to be using the dark brown brow definer. I like to brush all the hairs down first, see where they're growing in from. And on the end here, I like to just do little hair-like strokes And then we'll follow the hairline here. Right, and for the lips, I'm gonna go in with my favorite lip color, the Kimmy Fig. Do we see it? Do we see it? Oh, Kimmy Fig. Back to our skin toning agent. This is my favorite. I don't know if I want to call it a setting spray, but what I do is when you're all finished, especially if you've used powder on someone's face, spray down with some skin toning agent, and it helps the powder and all the rest of the makeup on your face kind of soak into your skin. It looks more real, you know, looks like you don't have makeup on. Looks like that's just your skin. And that's it. Everyday makeup look using only Aveda products.